Masala Poori and Chana. Ingredients: 2 cups maida, half a teaspoon ajwain, half a teaspoon kasuri methi, 1/4 of a teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons oil, 1 cup water. For frying oil, 1 bowl white chana. To taste salt, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 4 onions chopped, 1 cup tomato puree, 3 teaspoons oil, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons chopped green coriander. Directions: take chana, wash and soak overnight. Then boil with 1 teaspoon salt. Take a wok, add oil, then add garlic saute, then add onion saute till golden brown color. Add all dry spices, ginger and tomato puree. Mix them now. Add boiled chana, mix and add chana, then add kasuri methi and coriander. Chana is ready. Take a bowl, add maida and all ingredients, mix, add oil, rub and add water. Make a soft dough, cover and keep aside. Take a wok, add oil, then oil heat. Take a dough and make a equal size ball and roll on rolling pin and fry in hot oil from both sides. Then crispy puree is ready. Serve masala poori, chana, mango pickle and onion rings.